The event name is lecture capturing system. The event's name is lecture capturing system. Lecture capturing system. Lecture capturing system is an teaching learning process. First of all, I want to explain lecture capturing system. Lecture capturing system அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படிங்கறத நான் சொல்றேன் நானு. Lecture capturing lecture capturing system is a teaching learning process. Lecture capturing system is a teaching learning process. In lecture capturing system, both audio and video is recorded using modern technology. This is lecture capturing system. Okay, coming back to our point, my topic is without chemistry the universe will be nothing. Without chemistry the universe will be nothing. What is chemistry? Can you tell me what is chemistry? கொஞ்சம் இப்படி இப்படி சவுண்ட் கம்மியா இருக்குல்ல இருக்கா? Okay, so without chemistry the universe will be nothing. First of all, I want to discuss about chemistry. What is chemistry? Can you tell me what is chemistry? Can you tell me? Those who know, raise your hand. What is chemistry? Those who know, raise your hand and tell me. You please tell me. Excellent. Very nice answer by you. Chemistry is a branch of science. Point number 1. Chemistry is a branch of science. Chemistry is a branch of education which deals with matter. What is education? According to Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of perfection that is already in the man. மனிதனிடத்தில் ஏற்கனவே புதைந்திருக்கக்கூடிய பரிபூர்ணத்துவத்தை வெளிப்படுத்துவதே கல்வி. Education is the manifestation of perfection that is already in the man. Chemistry is a branch of science. Chemistry is a branch of education. This is about chemistry. According to William James, a very famous psychologist, education is a change in behavior process. Education is a change in behavior process. In Tamil, மனிதனுடைய நடத்தையில் ஏற்படக்கூடிய பரிபூர்ண மாற்றத்தை விளக்குவதே கல்வி அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. This is about education. Then what is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with matter. What is matter? Can you tell me what is matter? Whatever, anything which can occupy space, anything which can occupy space, anything which has volume, anything which has mass is called as matter. Once again I am repeating the same definition. Anything which can occupy space. Space means place. Space means not that space. Space means space. Idam Tamil. Anything which occupy space, anything which has mass, anything which has volume is called as matter. We can classify matter into 4 categories. One is solid matter, another one is liquid matter, third category of matter is gaseous matter, and also fourth category of matter is plasma matter. These 4 matters constitute our planet Earth. These 4 matter constitute our solar system. These 4 matter constitute our Milky Way galaxy. These 4 matter constitute our universe. This is about matter. Now I am going to explain one by one. Chemistry is a branch of science. Chemistry is a central science. Chemistry connect biology with physics. Chemistry connect mathematics and physics. Chemistry is a central science. Without chemistry, our day-to-day activity is something very dangerous. Chemistry is very important. From in the morning we are using toothpaste. Toothpaste is a kind of chemical. Toothpaste is a base. All of you know about acid base, salt, neutral materials, amphoteric, like that. So chemistry is a base. Next, chemistry is also called as central science. Chemistry occupies a central position in a scientific community. Next. Okay, this slide shows different kinds of matter. Now I can explain one by one. What is a solid? Can you tell me? Can you give me an example for solid? What is solid? Solid. Solid is a rigid molecule. Solid is a rigid material. In solid, the attraction between neighboring atoms, the attraction between neighboring molecules is very high, whereas in the case of liquid the attractive force is very small, whereas in the case of gaseous molecule there is no attractive force. Very minimum attractive force is present in the case of gas. Next. Okay. Now I am going to explain about atom. What is atom? Can you tell me atom? Atom na what is atom? You please see the uh, screen and tell me what is atom. Atom is the basic unit of an element. Atom has three subatomic particles. The particle number 1 is proton. The charge of proton is positive. The charge of electron is negative. The charge of neutron is neutral. So atom is very basic unit of an element. The difference between one atom and other atom is due to presence of proton, due to the presence of electron. For your kind information, all of you know about hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Can you tell me what is the atomic number of hydrogen? Atomic number of hydrogen is what? Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen atom is made up of 1 proton and 1 electron. There is no neutron in hydrogen. Whereas the isotope of hydrogen is made up of 1 and 2 neutron. So in the case of protium, that is H1, there is no neutron, whereas in the case of deuterium there is how many neutron in deuterium? 2 neutron in deuterium, whereas in the case of tritium there are 3 neutrons are there. So protium, deuterium and tritium. Our ordinary water is protonated water. Our ordinary water is called as protonated water. What is the molecular formula of water? Can you tell me what is the molecular formula of water? The molecular formula of water is H2O. 2 hydrogen atoms combines with 1 oxygen atom. The resulting is what? The resulting is water. 1 hydrogen atom combines with another hydrogen atom forming hydrogen molecule. Again this hydrogen molecule combines with oxygen to form H2O. It's a very important chemical in our planet Earth. Next, madam, next. Protons are a stable subatomic particle. Where proton is located in an atom? Can you tell me? An atom has 2 segments. An atom has 2 parts. One part is nucleus, another part is outer orbital. Where is proton is located? Nucleus is a segment in atom. Proton and neutron are present. Okay, wow. So next, electrons are revolving around proton. Electrons are revolving around nucleus in a well-defined path. The name of the well-defined path is orbital. What is orbital? Orbital is a place in an atom. Orbital is a place in an atom where the probability of finding electron is maximum. Once again I am repeating the same concept. Once again I am repeating the same definition. Orbital is a place. Orbital is a place in an atom. Orbital is a place in an atom where the probability of finding electron is maximum. Always electron place in orbital only. Never electron enter into nucleus. எப்பவுமே வந்து electrons வந்து nucleus குள்ள போகாது. This is very important point regarding proton. Next one is electron. What is electron? Electrons are very important molecule. Sorry, not molecule. Electrons are very important subatomic particle. Without electron we can't do any things. From ordinary toothpaste, ordinary water, all things contains electrons. Electrons are very important. For your kind information, in this room now light is lighting. Light எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருக்குது. Light is due to passage of electrons from one place to another place. ஒரு பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு electrons மூவ் ஆகிறதுனால தான் வந்து electricity வந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. If there is no movement of electron, there is no electricity. If there is no movement of electron, there is no heat. If there is no movement of electron, there is no temperature. Can you tell me what is our body's temperature? What is our body's temperature? 36.9 degree Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit our body's temperature. So our body's temperature is due to movement of electrons. Electrons வந்து நம்ம பாடிக்குள்ள அப்படியே இருந்துட்டே இருக்குது. Our cell is made up of electron. Okay, next. Then what is chemistry? Chemistry is a very important subject. Chemistry is foundation for all subject. For your kind information, all of you heard about xylem and phloem. What are xylem and phloem? Xylem and phloem are important things in plant roots. Plant oda rootல இருக்கிற இதுக்கு பேர் என்ன? Xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem conduct both water and minerals from a root system to other part of the water. Xylem conducts water and phloem conducts minerals. So this is capillary action. நம்ம கூட capillary tube னு ஒன்று பார்த்துருப்போம், மெல்டிங் பாயிண்ட் பாயிலிங் பாயிண்ட் பார்க்கறதுக்கு. ஸோ capillary actionனால தான் வந்து water is conducted from one part of the water to other part of the water. வாட்டரோட ரூட்ல இருந்து அப்பர் போர்ஷனுக்கு வந்து இதனால தான் இதாகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்லைடு. So it explains the formation of rocks. Geology. What is geology? Geology is a branch of geochemistry which deals with the formation of rock. How rock is formed. Next one is ecology. It explains the depletion of ozone layer. Ozone. What is ozone? What is the molecular formula of ozone? Can you tell me? O3 is the molecular formula of ozone. 2 oxygen atom forms oxygen molecule. 2 oxygen atom forms oxygen molecule. Again oxygen molecule combines with one oxygen atom forming triatomic ozone. Ozone is very important. Ozone gas only protect our earth from most harmful gamma rays. If there is no ozone layer, the life is something very dangerous in our planet Earth. In which layer of atmosphere ozone is present? Can you tell me? Ionosphere, stratosphere. Okay, those who say stratosphere is the right answer. There are 7 layers in atmosphere. Starting from first layer troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, magnetosphere, finally exosphere. So there are 7 layers in atmosphere. Once again I am repeating, it is very easy to remember these things. TSM time is a mnemonics. I used TSM time. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, TSM. Teleshopping marketing. So mnemonics namle vechikalam. TSM teleshopping marketing. Troposphere, stratosphere and mesosphere, TSM. Next one is time. Thermosphere, ionosphere, magnetosphere and last layer is exosphere. So this is very important in mnemonics. TSM time, teleshopping marketing time, TSM time. So next one is it collects DNA evidences in a crime, forensic. It connects animate and inanimate matter, pharmacology. What is pharmacology? Pharmacology is a branch of medicinal chemistry. It connects living things with non-living things. Chemicals are living things or non-living things? Is chemicals are living things or non-living things? Chemicals are non-living things. If you take a tranquilizer, it's a non-living thing. That a tranquilizer reacts with our body system. Connects with or react with our body system, especially protein, especially vitamins, especially DNA and RNA. So pharmacology is branch of medicinal chemistry which connects inanimate matter with animate matter. We are animals. Next. Scope of chemistry. Chemistry is often referred to as central science. It connects maths and physics. So only you are studying maths as allied and physics as allied. Without maths and physics, life is something. Next one is chemistry is a multidisciplinary subject. It links other areas of science such as physics, biochemistry, astronomy, maths and geography. Next. Chemistry and physics. How can you classify chemistry? What are the three major classification of chemical science? One is physical chemistry, another one is inorganic, third one is organic chemistry. These are three major classification of chemistry. Physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with properties of matter, which deals with properties of matter, which deals with the physical properties of matter. In physical chemistry, you studied about thermodynamics. Can you tell me what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with flow of heat from one system to other system. Flow of heat. So physical chemistry is very important. For example, all of you heard about heat temperature. What is the difference between heat and temperature? Can you tell me? Heat is a non-changeable quantity, whereas temperature is a changeable quantity. In Tamil, heat means vepam. In Tamil, temperature means vepanilai. Vepam kutalnilai, vepanilai. So temperature always changes from one place to another place. For your kind information, now the temperature of this place is approximately 30 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature of Ooty is now 20 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature of Mount Everest is 0 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature of Sahara or Thar desert is something 40 or 50 degrees Celsius. So temperature is a changeable quantity. Heat is a non-changeable quantity. For your kind information, what is the boiling point of water? The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. It is a common truth. Whether it is Coimbatore or Metupalayam, Pollachi, Ooty, Udumalapet, whatever it may be place, the heat can't change. So this is very important. So physical chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the properties of physical properties of materials. Okay, next one is chemistry and biology. Biology is branch of chemistry which concerns with biochemical reactions that are taking place every day in our body. Can you tell me what is anabolism? What is anabolism? Anabolism is a process that is taking place in every second and every minute in our body. Anabolism is equal to catabolism plus metabolism. In Tamil, anabolism is equal to valarsidai matram. Valarsidai matram is equal to valar matram plus sidai matram. Anabolism is equal to catabolism plus metabolism. For your kind information, our body every second, every millisecond, every time there are lot of chemical processes are taking place. Digestion is a chemical process. Breathing is a chemical process. Exhalation is a chemical process. Inhalation is a chemical process. Hearing is a chemical process. Vision is a chemical process. Walking is a chemical process. All things require energy. Can you tell me what is energy? The ability to do work is called as energy. I am now walking. I need some energy. Without energy, I can't walk. I want to lift this chair. I want to lift this chair. For lifting this chair, I need some energy. ஒரு வயசு குழந்தையை கொண்டு போய் இந்த சேர் தூக்கி எடுத்து வைங்கன்னா அதை எடுத்து வைக்காது. Because that child don't have such a kind of energy. So simply saying what is energy? The ability to do work is called as energy. Energy can be classified into two categories. One is kinetic energy, that is energy is in movement. Another one is stationary energy, kinetic energy or potential energy. Potential energy and kinetic energy. The water flowing in river has kinetic energy, movement. Now I am in kinetic position, so only I am walking in this room. Okay. Next one is chemistry and psychology. Can you tell me what is psychology? Because my topic is without chemistry, the universe will be nothing. So it's my duty to talk about all aspects of chemistry. I connect chemistry with biology, I connect chemistry with maths, I connect chemistry with geography, I connect chemistry with other parts of education. Can you tell me what is psychology? Psychology is nothing but a branch of education which deals with humans' behavior, humans' mood, humans' sensation, humans' perception. For your kind information, our psychiatrists use psychiatric drugs. Psychiatric drugs. யாராவதுக்கு some mind கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆச்சுன்னா வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, some மாத்திரைகளை சாப்பிட்றாங்க. That psychiatrics is mainly a chemical. Okay, next madam. Examples of chemistry in our daily life. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is very important reaction taking place every day in our planet Earth. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a natural process. Point number one. Photosynthesis is a natural process. 6 molecules of water react with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, in presence of a green pigment. The name of the green pigment is chlorophyll. Plants prepare their own food. It is a auto food preparation process. Auto food preparation process. In this process, the final material obtained is starch. Plants can prepare starch. Starch is food for plant. So only almost all food materials like rice, cereals, grams, pulses, dals, wheat, maize are starchy material. வீட்டில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம அரிசி சமைக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அரிசி ஊற வைப்பாங்க. நீங்கள் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? சொல்லுவாங்க அரிசி ரொம்ப நேரம் ஊற வச்சு சமைச்சா அரிசி ஒன்னோட ஒன்று ஒட்டாது, அரிசி ஊற வைக்காம பண்ணீங்கன்னா அரிசி கொல கொலன்னு களியாட்டாயிருன்னெல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்னா நீங்கள் நல்லா பாருங்க, அரிசி ஊறினதுக்கு அப்புறம் வெள்ளை கலராக இருக்கு அந்த தண்ணி, லைட்டா வெள்ளைன்னா கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா வெள்ளையாட்டு இருக்கும், அதுக்குன்னு இந்த மாதிரி ஒயிட்டா இருக்காது, கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா இருக்கும். அதுக்கு என்ன ரீசன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அரிசி கழியணும் அப்படிம்பாங்க. அரிசி 4 தடவை கழிஞ்சு அதில் இருக்கிற இந்த ஸ்டார்ச் எல்லாம் ரிமூவ் ஆயிரும். ஓகேவா? So photosynthesis is a regular process that is taking place from the formation of earth. Can you tell me what is the age of earth? The age of earth is 4600 million years. அன்னையிலிருந்து இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் photosynthesis is a regular process. If there is no photosynthesis, there is no plant. If there is no plant, there is no animal. So we depend photosynthesis. Okay, next one is importance of chemistry in food. What are the main food materials? Food can be classified into 4 categories: vitamin based food, carbohydrate based food, another one is lipid based food, another one is protein based food. What is protein based food? Protein based food nana, which food contains protein? Egg contain protein. Another, curd contain protein. Okay, next, chicken contains fat, chicken contains lipid. So upon burning 1 gram of lipid, it can produce 9.4 calories of energy. Upon burning 1 gram of carbohydrate, it produce 4 calories of energy. Upon burning 1 gram of protein, it produces 4.3 calories of energy. I will explain one by one. Upon burning 1 gram of carbohydrate, it produces 4 calories of energy. Upon burning 1 gram of protein, it produces 4.4 calories of energy. Upon burning fat or lipid, whatever it may be, cholesterol material, it produces 9.3 calories of energy. So proteins act as a source of energy. Sorry, not protein. Fat act as a source of energy. During starvation, lipids supply energy. Lipids act as a cushion for our vital organs. For your kind information, our eye is surrounded by cushion of fat. Our kidney is surrounded by cushion of this is cushion. You know, this is cushion of lipid. Okay, next one is chemistry in medicines. Can you tell me what is analgesics? Drugs are classified into 5 categories. One is analgesic, next one is antacid, antibiotic, antiseptic, tranquilizer. What is analgesic? The chemical or drug which reduce pain is called as analgesic. In Tamil, vali nivarani. Then what is antipyretic? Antipyretic is a material which can reduce body temperature. Pyro means heating. In chemistry, we are using a term called as pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is nothing but breaking of any material using heat is called as pyrolysis. So antipyretics are chemicals, antipyretics are drugs which can reduce our body's temperature. Next one is a tranquilizer. Any material which create sleepiness. தூக்கத்தை கொடுக்கிற மெட்டீரியலுக்கு பேர் வந்து tranquilizers. Next one is antibiotics. Antibiotics are materials which kill unwanted microorganism in our body. in cold condition we are using antibiotics. Next one is antacid. What is antacid? Nowadays we are seeing advertisement in TV. Antacids are materials which increase the basic nature of our stomach's buffer system. Our stomach contains a buffer system. The name of the buffer system is bicarbonate carbonic acid buffer system. So what is buffer solution? What is buffer solution? Buffer solution is a solution which can resist change in pH on the addition of either acid or base. Can you tell me what is the pH of water? What is the pH of water? 7 is the pH of water. What is pH? What is pH? pH is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. The pH of human blood is 7.35. The pH of pure water is 7. The pH of hydrochloric acid is 2. The pH of sulfuric acid is nearly 1. The pH of sodium hydroxide is 14. The pH of our gastric juice, that is stomach juice, is 2.5. The pH of milk is 6.5. So it is evident from my talk that milk is slightly acidic because the pH of milk is 6.5. The pH of blood is 7.35. It is evident from the above mentioned pH scale. Our blood is slightly acidic or basic? Basic, because the pH of blood is 7.35. So it is evidently blood is slightly basic. Okay. Next one is chemistry connects cosmetics. Almost all kind of cosmetics are prepared by chemicals. You know about lactocalamine, a kind of lotion that we applied in our everyday activity. Lactocalamine, Fair and Lovely, Farever, whatever it may be, Lakme, Pond's, all things are prepared from chemistry. Then what is green chemistry? Green chemistry is again a branch of chemistry. Green chemistry concerns with reduce pollution in our society, reduce pollution in our lab. It concerns with energy conservation. Green chemistry reduce pollution. Green chemistry is a branch of organic chemistry which deals with designing of solvents based upon our needs without pollute our community, without pollute our society. Next one is soaps and detergent. What are soaps? How can you prepare soap? What are the basic raw materials for the preparation of soap? There are two materials are important for the preparation of soap. One is sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide is base. When a base react with fatty acid. What is base? Anything in the pH scale with pH above 7 and below 14, because pH scale ends with 14 numerical number. There is no pH above 14 and there is no pH below 0. pH scale is a magnitude which represents the pH of all things. pH is nothing but it's a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. How much hydrogen ion is present in a material is pH scale. How much OH minus ion is present in a material is pH scale. So pH scale is a representation which represents both hydrogen ion concentration below 7 and OH minus ion concentration above 7. So 7 to 14 is basic pH and below 7 is called as acidic pH. Okay, coming back to our point. What are soaps? Soaps are nothing but soaps are salts. Soaps are salts. When sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide or whatever it may be basic material react with organic acid, organic fatty acid. Is oils are acidic, basic or neutral or amphoteric? My question is all oils are, all edible oils are acidic, basic, neutral, amphoteric or salt? All oils are, or one word question, all oils are option A acidic, option B basic, option C neutral, option D amphoteric, option E salt. Which one is correct? All oils are, one more question. All oils are acidic, basic, neutral, amphoteric or salt. யோசிக்கிறீங்க எத்தனை பேர் ஆசிட்? ப்ளீஸ் ரைஸ் யுவர் ஹேண்ட். ஒன்லி ஒன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரெப்ரசன்ட் ஆசிட். பேஸ், ஆல் ஆயில்ஸ் ஆர் பேஸ். யாருமே இல்லை. சால்ட் யாருமே இல்லை, போச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆம்போட்ரிக். ஆம்போட்ரிக்னா வந்து இட் ஹேஸ் போத் அசிடிக் கேரக்டர் அண்ட் பேசிக் கேரக்டர். அதுக்கு யாரும் இல்லை. அதுக்கப்புறம் வேற ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. அதுக்கப்புறம் நீ புதுசா நான் தான் ஏதோ ஒன்று கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். நியூட்ரல், நியூட்ரல் ஒன்று இருந்துச்சு. நியூட்ரல் எத்தனை பேரு? சால்ட், அதுக்கு யாராவது ஒருத்தர் சொல்லுங்க. அப்ப இதுல இருந்து என்ன தெரியுதுன்னா நம்ம யாருமே எண்ணெயே ஊற்றி சாப்பிட்றது இல்லை. அப்படியா? அப்படியெல்லாம் இல்லை. we need oil for our day to day activity. Without oil our life is something very impossible. So all oils are acids in nature. All oils are acids in nature. All oils are acids. So give her a very big hand. So all oils are acids in nature. So when an organic fatty acid react with base, we will get a new material. The name of the new material is soap. So soaps are salts of fatty acid. Soaps are salts of fatty acids. இதுதான் வந்து சோப்போட டெஃபினிஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட், cloth and chemistry. Chemistry deals with cloth. Can you tell me some synthetic cloth, nylon, polyester, terrycotton or artificial textile materials? Can you tell me natural materials, natural cloth material? Cotton is a natural cloth material. So textile chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with preparation of textile materials. In Coimbatore also we have a institute called as Chitra in Avinasi Road, South Indian Textile Research Association, near to opposite to airport. Chitra அப்படின்னு ஒரு place இருக்கும். South Indian Textile Research Association. Okay, next one is building construction. So chemistry is widely used in building construction. Without cement, building construction is highly impossible. So in the year 1824, a very famous chemist called as Joseph Astidine in the year 1824 prepared Portland cement in England. Who discovered, who prepared cement? In the year 1824, Joseph Astidine of England discovered cement. Cement acts as a binding agent. It binds sand with bar, that is irumbu iron, with strong. So cements are calcium aluminum silicates. Next one is chemistry of fuels. What are fuels? Can you tell me fuels? Any material which give energy is called as fuel. Simple definition. There are lot of fuels. For